Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a tank-mounted homogenizing mixer by IKA Works. It also has a secondary mixer, which is a paddle-type mixer that you see with the stainless steel reducer. We can provide the motor for this. It's a simple 56C motor. We can do explosion-proof stainless or whatever you might need. The vessel has a pressure rating of 15 psi on it, and you'll see that there's also a packing gland shaft seal here, and this assembly right here is the mechanical seal for the homogenizing mixer. It's a 3 horsepower drive. We're running on 440 volts right now, and you can see it's the UTC 80 kV model. It is running at high speed, of course. Let's give you a look inside, Jim. Quick look inside here. The angular mount shaft is the homogenizer, and of course the paddle is on the center. We have lots of homogenizers and all types of process equipment in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.